Hello you guys, I'm going to make a quick video of how loud is this graphic card, HD 7870. Yeah, this thing is loud. As you can see, I have a, Ricky test bench. There's my stuff. 16 gig of RAMs. And I'm going to test how loud this thing is. You can see I have my MSI Afterburner. I'm going to put it to 50%. 51. I'm going to click apply. That is at 50%. Let's put it to 100. It's loud. Yeah, that was really loud. Anyway guys, so that was just a quick video how loud this graphic card really is. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more videos and cool stuff. Peace.